I pledge to protect and preserve the environment. I pledge to use natural resources wisely and avoid wastage. I pledge to reduce, reuse, and recycle in my daily life. I pledge to avoid plastic and adopt eco-friendly practices. I pledge to keep my surroundings clean and green. I pledge to conserve water, energy, and biodiversity. I pledge to spread awareness about environmental protection. I pledge to support sustainable development for a better future. I promise to be a responsible citizen and work toward a cleaner, and healthier earth. Thank you.
Our principal, Father Dr. George, Vice Principals, Sister Sonia and Father Kohli, and our beloved teachers, and all my dear friends of Don Bosco College. On behalf of Eco Club and Green Alliance, I wish you all a very meaningful Earth Day and a powerful start to Earth Week 2026. Today is April 22. Across the world, people mark this day as Earth Day. But in 1970, a group of students and citizens in Philadelphia, USA asked a simple question. What if one day is not enough? That is how Earth Week was born. A full week to learn, to act, and to prove that young people can lead change. 56 years later, that idea has reached our campus. Today, Don Bosco College is not just observing Earth Day. We are part of the Bharat Sustainable Campus Mission 2026, where 500 plus institutions and 50,000 plus students across India are taking action together from April 22nd to 29. This mission is organized by the Research Height Foundation with the Environment Protection Training and Research Institution, and it connects us to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Friends, the theme for us is simple: act, capture, submit. Let me explain what that means for us this week. First, act. In the next 8 days, every small step counts. It can be planting a sapling near our college grounds. It can be using the wet and dry bins we already have and putting waste in the right bin. It can be switching off fans and lights when we leave classrooms or conducting a water audit of our tapes. It can be a cleanup drive around our campus. No action is too small when 50,000 students are doing it together. Second, capture. Whatever we do, let us record it. Take photos, shoot short videos. Note down how many students participated. This is not for social media fame. This is proof. Proof that Don Bosco College choose to act. Proof that our Eco Club and Green Alliance led. And proof we can submit to the Bharat Environment Program. Third, submit. Starting today, our activities can be logged for recognition. 2 activities earn bronze, 3 activities earn silver, and 5 earns gold. But I want to tell you honestly, the certificate is not the goal. The goal is a campus where the air is cleaner, the waste is less, and every Don Bosconian knows that they are a caretaker of this earth. Respected Father George, Sister Sonia, Father Kohli, and teachers, we thank you for giving us the space and support to run this campaign. Your encouragement is why students of Don Bosco College believe that action matters. Friends, Earth Week reminds us that the planet's problem feels huge, but our response starts right here. In our classroom, in our corridor, in the habit we build this week and keep for life. So on behalf of Eco Club and Green Alliance, I invite every department, every class, every student of Don Bosco College, pick one one action today. Join us after assembly if you want to volunteer. Let's make sure that when Earth Week 2026 ends on April 29th, our college can proudly say, we did our part. Because the Earth is not waiting and neither should we. Thank you. Jai